Inshallah, guys, Bitcoin price has finally moved. We have been waiting for this for weeks, maybe even months. It was just ranging laterally, really not many trades to be taken. Finally, now it's given us a very nice surprise. January 2023, good start to the year. And let me share my screen and show you guys maybe some trades that we can take. Okay, so on my last video, when I did the video, the Bitcoin price was around here. So if we go back in time a little bit, we can see we had this triangle formation right here, and we were just right at the apex, right at the potential breakout. And I was mentioning that we should be careful with at least this kind of level of resistance given by the upper section of this descending channel. So I actually plotted this potential trade, this potential long position that I could take with this breakout. Of course, if we measure the target for this breakout, that would have taken the price, Bitcoin price, to around $21,000, which is exactly what happened. I'm too stupid and I forgot to take the trade, which had, as we can see, a very, very nice risk to reward ratio of 3. I just completely forgot. So that's that, Let's go back to and see in real time what happened. These are daily candles, right? So we can see the target got absolutely destroyed, absolutely smashed. This is really good for Bitcoin. It's showing some strength right now. And I want to go ahead and do some price analysis together with you guys in real time. I'll edit out the parts where I'm just thinking or taking unnecessary time to kind of make some drawings on the chart. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So I want to show you guys as well the market spotter B5 indicator is flashed a long signal exactly with the breakout of the triangle right here. And I'm pretty sure I mentioned, maybe I forgot, but I mentioned I was waiting for a long signal as well on my previous video to enter this trade, because that means that, as you guys probably know or not, market spotter V5 takes into account many momentum based indicators. So this is not only purely kind of a pattern based trade, but also we're taking into account the volume and the momentum of the price, which market spotter V5 takes into account to flash its signals, right? So this is what happened. We can see the increase from the breakout, and the signal is around 24%. If we use leverage, that could be, with a 10x, for example, 250% increase. Of course, it's hard to take profits right at the top, but we can see actually some kind of resistance right here around this area. Okay. All right. So I want to show you guys also the weekly chart right here. So each candle, of course, represents 1 week in the price of Bitcoin. Let me put the aircon right here because it's pretty hot. I'm actually now in Argentina and it's summer here, so only for 2 more weeks. But yeah, I'm drinking my mate. It's pretty good. So yeah, and we had this long signal on market spotter V5 on the weekly chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at the previous weekly signals right here, but let me first change to Heikin-Ashi candles. I always forget to do this, but this is more effective on when using market spotter. It's recommended to use Heikin-Ashi candles. So we can see here the these previous signals, which were all really, really good before the bull market on 2020. We had this really, really good long signal. It caught both peaks almost perfectly. And now we're getting a new long position on market spotter V5, which is amazing. So if you guys are swing trading or just accumulating Bitcoin, this might be a good time to start accumulating if you guys are not accumulating or haven't been accumulating till now. I definitely have, and I'll keep dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and take a look at some potential trades that we could take. I'm going to go back to the daily chart, and I'm going to use regular candles for this. But before, I want to take a look at the VPBR and the moving averages. So with the VPBR, I'm pretty sure in my last video before this breakout right here, okay, let's put again the triangle. So in my last video, I'm pretty sure I mentioned the VPVR as well. And the VPVR, it shows where most of the volume, most of the orders are have been in the past. How much? So the past tends to repeat again in the future. So when trading, if you have a lot of volume around a price area in the past, this will tend to happen again in the future. And if we take a look at the bar replay again, and we go around here, which is when I was, when I did my last video, right? And we had the VPVR, which shows there's a lot of volume around this area, which we were ranging for almost 3 months, okay? And then we can see kind of valley right here. So there's not much volume around all of this area right here. And the next area where there's kind of significant volume is around the $19,300 around there. So that's why also in my long position, I put my take profit below this area right here, which I forgot to take this position, but Siri, I'm not talking to you. So yeah, I took this into account, but let's go back. All right, so this is extremely interesting, right? Look at compare the volume we have around this area right here and around all of this area right here. We've ranged for literally almost 1 year. So if we manage to break above this super high volume area, which we should break above at least $22,300, we will have a very, very, well, not a very easy way up, but the road will be way smoother than it has been until now, because there's a lot less resistance around all of this area compared to all of this range area of range, basically, around here. So that's really good. That is good news. So I'll draw a line right here that we have to be aware of. Okay, so we need to clear above this level right here. And I want to end the video by looking at the moving averages. So let's take a look at the 20, 50, and 200-day moving average. And this is really good news. The Bitcoin price has shot up and surpassed the 20, 50, and 200-day moving average, all of those. Now the price is above all of this. All of these moving averages will act as support and resistance, as we already know. So if the price is above this, each time the price is going down, all of these moving averages will act as support, right? So that's really good. So now it will be hard for the price to go back down below $19,500 and the 20 days in 18,000 and then $17,250. So we have all of these very, very strong levels of support. We also have now this upper level of this falling channel will be support as well. So that's all really, really great news. In terms of a potential trade that we could take, I'll do another video maybe tomorrow, going about more in detail, looking a little bit maybe at fib levels and support and resistance. But judging just from the moving averages and these lines that we have drawn here, I could take a long position right here once we break above this level and this area of high volume, very high volume. And really, this could be a really, really nice swing trade. Okay, we could put our profit targets anywhere all along this area, or we could even use a trailing take profit. So we could put our we could take profit a little bit below kind of this resistance area that we will have around here. It's around $24,400, as long as we have a good risk reward ratio, right? With the stop loss, we could put it, around this area, a little bit below that, even below this level of resistance once we cross above it, because that will be turned into support. So this will be a trade that I'll probably be taking. I'll keep you guys updated. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you want to get Market Spotter, I'll leave the link in the description. By using my referral link, you not only get the 50% discount, which we currently have on all packages, but you can also book a free one-on-one Zoom call with me, and you can also get my contact info to ask me any questions that you might have. So that's all for now, guys. See you in the next video.